Hello, this is Dr. Tyler Hamel. Good afternoon on this Thursday. Kingwood Chiropractor today, continuing on with the series of the most common mistakes made by people suffering with back pain. So, number one we had, remember, it's like people think that the back pain is just going to go away on its own. And if you think about that, how often does that happen? Number two, they think that medicine is going to fix the problem. So taking an anti-inflammatory, a muscle relaxer, or pain pill is going to fix the problem, which that never happens. It'll make you feel better, but it cannot fix the problem. So number three, third most common mistake people think of when they're suffering with back pain is that maybe surgery is the only answer. So when we talk about surgery, right? Surgery is a permanent thing that happens, whether that be in the neck or the low back, and a lot of people don't consider some of the other options that they can do. So basically, surgery occasionally is a necessity, but there are so many things you can try before doing surgery to help with your low back. So there is chiropractic, there's corrective exercises, there's massage, there's physical therapy, acupuncture, so many other different modalities that you can try before surgery. If you've done all of those, and given it a go and given it a good treatment plan and you're still not better, then at that point, maybe surgery is your only option. Honestly, over the last 18 years, I've had like 3 patients that have had to get surgery. 1 for scoliosis, 2 for low back, and it was just kind of beyond anything else that I could do or anybody else could do, so they had to get surgery. So it is what it is. Sometimes that's a necessity. But just remember, surgery, it's a permanent thing, so we always try to do lots of other things besides that. You know, if they go in and fuse a vertebra, then you can't just be feeling better and say, oh, can you go and unfuse that? It is like the gallbladder. So many gallbladders get taken out these days, and like once it's out, you know, so it's meant to be in there, and if it's not in there, there's certain things that you're going to have trouble doing without a gallbladder. So same thing with surgery. So oftentimes back surgery can help the patient a little bit, but when you put kind of a fusion in an area, it makes the area above and below have to work a little bit harder, and oftentimes a patient can have some issues above and below the site of the fusion. There's other surgeries too, which are less invasive. They can get in there with a laser and shave off part of the disc. Sometimes when you have a disc bulge or a disc herniation, and I've seen that be a little bit better, right? So disc material comes out, they shave it off, and you can definitely be a lot better. You're still predisposed to having some issues because you have degeneration in that disc now, but I've seen plenty of people that have bulging discs or even disc herniations who have not had surgery, who get benefit from chiropractic, and even the ones that have had surgery, same kind of thing. There's benefit to be had by adjusting the areas around the low back, and also corrective exercises to help take pressure off of that disc. So again, the number 3 reason or most common mistake that people make that are suffering with low back pain, it's thinking that surgery is the only option. There's many other options. So think about that before you do something that is permanent and you cannot reverse, and go from there. So again, I'm Dr. Tyler Hamel, your Kingwood Chiropractor. If you like this video, like it, share it, tag somebody in there. You probably know somebody who's been struggling with low back pain. Maybe they just don't know where to go, or they've never tried chiropractic, or they're tired of taking medicine or doing pain shots because they're not getting any better. Refer them in, and hopefully we'll be able to help them out. We have a YouTube channel as well. All these videos from now on will be put on YouTube. Most people are on Facebook, so they can just share that with a friend, but some people are not, and so you can watch it on YouTube. So again, Dr. Tyler Hamel, your Kingwood Chiropractor. Any questions, ask them in the box below. I will do my best to help you out, and stay tuned for more information on the mistakes, 5 most common mistakes that people make when they're suffering with low back pain. So again, number 1, thinking it's going to go away. Number 2, thinking if they take medicine, it's going to fix it. And then today, number 3, thinking that surgery is their only option. Thanks for watching the video.